In this video, we are going to look at how to apply emissions to our weapon. All I have to do is reference my weapon, and this time I'm going to include emission texture. Even if my weapon does not start off with an emission texture, we're going to add one. And if there is already an emission texture, we could click on override. We don't really need to click on override because there is no emission texture, but it doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to get colors. And now you can see that we have a new button right here. And this button will apply emissions to our region. So to test this, let's click on this right here. By clicking that, you could see that now this region is emissive. We can even change the color of this region to anything we want. Furthermore, we could select the intensity by clicking on this little button here, which opens the emission tab. And it also allows you to change the color of the actual emission, this aura you see around it. So if we check orange, as you can see, it's become a bit more orange. And the intensity can be manipulated from down here. Now we don't want the actual blade to be emissive. I would like to make these cracks emissive instead. First, I'm going to change the color of that blade to something more suitable. I'm going to copy the color from here and paste it here. Now I'm going to look for the cracks and see if I could change that instead. There you go. Make it look like lava. I'm going to select this one. Is there more? Nope, it seems like that was the only color. But as you can see, no emission has been applied. That's because the color of this emission is black and you can't emit black colors. So we just have to change it to something we're interested in. Like so. And now we can change the intensity. Just like that. You can also change the colors randomly by clicking this button right here and see if you find something you're interested in. You can try something more orange here. Personally, I like this lava look right there. You can apply emissions to other regions at the same time. I'm going to apply emissions to these webs right here. I'm also going to randomize colors to something more suitable, just like that. Now, what if I want to increase the emission of this region, but not this region? I could select the color and apply a lighter tint of color. Just like that, the emission value increases as well. So the emission intensity is based on the darkness of your selected background color and the intensity of the HDR emission, which you can change from here. Another thing that affects the intensity is the thickness of the region you are actually applying the emission to. One last thing, let's make this gem at the bottom glow as well. Now you can see it's very bright, and that's because the surface area is large. And also because the color selected is white. So if we want it to be a bit darker, we have to go a little bit towards the darker side. So we can turn it off by going all the way to black. And the closer we get to white, the brighter it becomes. I think that is suitable right there. We can lock these colors now that we applied the emissions to. And now if we want to, we could change the color of the sword without affecting the emissions at all. if you'd like to unlock or view the locked colors, click on this button right here and it will show you what has already been locked. By default, this hides anything that has been locked.